All right, deep divers, get ready to dive into something a little different this time.
Yeah, we're shaking things up a bit today.
This time, we're coming to you live, well, podcast live, that is.
From a potential dream home, no less.
Seriously, we're inside a house right now in Goodyear's Sedella community.
Beautiful spot.
And we're going to break down what makes this place really special, beyond just like reading a listing online.
Exactly. Where are your eyes and ears today?
So strap in.
We're going to give you the full tour, point out the things you might not even notice from just pictures.
Like, okay, for starters, did you know this place used to belong to a Meritage exec?
No way, really?
Yeah. Talk about living the dream, right?
Yeah.
They built this whole community, and this was their house.
Well, that explains a few things.
Right. Like, you walk in, and you immediately notice those ceilings 12 feet high.
Oh, yeah. It makes a huge difference.
Huge. I mean, just that feeling of spaciousness,
I don't feel cramped at all, even though it's not like a cavernous house or anything.
Exactly. And the doors. 8 feet tall, they had to be custom made.
Now, that's attention to detail.
Right. And speaking of details, can we talk about this kitchen for a second?
Oh, are you kidding? It's begging to be talked about.
This island, it's like an infinity pool, but for food prep.
Yeah.
Or even an Infinity Edge island anyway.
So it's not just about looking cool, though it does look super sleek.
Oh, it definitely does.
It actually makes the space feel even bigger. Your eye doesn't hit a hard edge, so it's like the countertop just flows.
It's trippy, right? You could practically play ping pong in this thing.
And with these quartz countertops, go right ahead.
Oh, are these quartz? I didn't even say.
Yeah, indestructible. Red wine, lemon juice, whatever you've got.
That's good to know, because you know me and red wine.
Let's move on before you test that theory.
Right. But before we leave the kitchen, see those doors over there?
The ones leading outside, yeah, they're practically invisible when they're open.
They're pocket doors, so they just disappear into the wall. Genius.
Perfect for parties, let the whole place flow together.
Speaking of flow, this whole backyard is incredible. Lush doesn't even begin to cover it.
Right. It's like a resort back here.
We've got a covered patio, built-in barbecue. That I mentioned. This place is made for entertaining. And then there's this whole other little pavilion area.
Tucked away, yeah. Perfect for a quiet morning coffee.
And those mountain views. We are literally right at the foot of the White Tank Mountains.
You're not kidding. Can we talk about the view? That's a major selling point for me.
I mean, talk about a room with a view. This whole house is a view.
It really is something else. Not all the homes in Sedella get this lucky.
That's true. They've got a good mix, but this is prime real estate.
Definitely.
So, deep divers, imagine waking up to this every morning.
Making breakfast in that kitchen, having your coffee in the backyard.
This could be your life. All right, but in all seriousness, what are your big takeaways from being here?
For me, it's the attention to detail. Like, they really thought of everything. This wasn't just a house flip. This was someone's home.
And it shows, right? You could feel it in the way the space flows, the little design choices they make.
Exactly. It's inspiring, honestly.
It makes you want to, up your interior design game.
100%. This is a masterclass in luxurious living.
Couldn't have said it better myself. So, listeners, if you're looking for a home that's more than just 4 walls and a roof, a place that's been thoughtfully designed and meticulously maintained,
and comes with a side of breathtaking mountain views,
then this place is definitely worth checking out. Get in touch with a realtor. Come see it for yourself.
Walk the neighborhood. Get a feel for the community.
Because sometimes a deep dive is just the beginning of the journey.
That's right. The rest is up to you.
And we'll be here next time with another deep dive into something fascinating. See ya.
See you later.